Since everyone has a different gaming experience, choosing the best gaming headset can be a bit tricky. The way you use your headset and the type of games you play can really help narrow down the options. Factors like sound quality, comfort, and durability vary across different models. In this video, we're going to take a look at the best gaming headsets of 2025, and I'll guide you to find the one that suits you best. If you're ready, let's dive in. Number 5. HyperX Cloud III. Ready to transform your gaming experience? Meet the HyperX Cloud III, where performance meets comfort. This headset is designed for long gaming sessions with its incredibly comfy fit that won't tire you out. It delivers low latency, so your audio and visuals stay perfectly in sync, putting you right in the middle of the action. The USB dongle works seamlessly with PCs and PlayStation consoles, giving you the added benefit of customizing your sound profile using the companion software. Xbox users can connect with the analog cable, though the software features won't be available in this mode. The detachable boom mic ensures your voice comes through loud and clear, even if there's background noise. Whether you're strategizing with your team or chatting with friends, your voice always takes center stage. While the default sound profile might lack a bit of bass, it makes up for it with its clean, balanced audio that highlights every detail. Plus, you can tweak the settings to create a sound profile that's uniquely yours. The HyperX Cloud III is all about taking your gaming experience to the next level. Comfort, durability, and crystal clear sound, all in one package. Number 4. Corsair HS65. A timeless legend and every gamer's must-have. The Corsair HS65 Surround might be 2 years old now, but in our opinion, it's still one of the best gaming headsets out there. Despite all the new competitors that have come out since its release, this wired headset continues to offer unbeatable value. And that amazing 7.1 surround sound, yeah, it's still delivering that punch you'd never expect at this price point. But when it comes to choosing a gaming headset, comfort is key, right? Corsair HS65 has got your back, or should I say ears. You can game for hours without any discomfort. It's built for those long, non-stop gaming sessions. And the best part? Right now, it's only $69.99. Yep, you heard that right. It's budget-friendly without sacrificing performance. If you're looking for a headset that won't break the bank but still gives you top-tier sound and comfort, this is the one. The Corsair HS65 Surround is still one of the strongest options on the market. Low price, but zero compromise on the experience. Ready to level up your gameplay. Number 3. Razer BlackShark V2 Pro. If you're aiming for the top in the gaming world, the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro Wireless 2023 is just what you need. It may look similar to the 2020 model, but performance-wise, it takes things to a whole new level. With its improved mic quality, your teammates will hear you loud and clear, and the sound quality is top-notch, ready to compete with the best. Battery life is another big win here. You can game for hours without interruption, knowing your energy won't run out in the middle of the action. Plus, with Bluetooth support, you can listen to music on your phone or take calls without any hassle. Of course, it's not perfect. The lack of an AUX port means you can't use it wired, and there aren't any console-specific versions, which is a downside for Xbox players. But despite these drawbacks, its outstanding features make this headset a gamer's dream. Level up your gaming experience with the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro Wireless 2023. Number 2. Logitech G Pro X Wireless. Imagine cutting the cords and diving into a seamless gaming experience. The Logitech G Pro X Wireless Lightspeed is here to make it happen. Designed to connect to your PC or PlayStation with ultra-low latency, this headset is all about performance and freedom. Comfort? Oh, absolutely. With its soft, plush ear cushions and over-ear design, you can game for hours without even noticing you're wearing it. Plus, the detachable boom mic keeps your comms crystal clear, so you'll always stay in sync with your squad. Now let's talk sound. The default audio profile is balanced and neutral, perfect for any game. But the bass? Oh, it's got just the right punch. Those action-packed scenes feel even more intense with that extra bit of thump. Of course, nothing's perfect, right? Unfortunately, this headset isn't compatible with Xbox consoles. But if you're on PC or PlayStation, it's a total game changer. So if you're ready to take control, hear every detail, and stay ahead of the competition, the Logitech G Pro X Wireless Lightspeed is calling your name. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless. Take your office experience to the next level. Let's be real. When you're at the office, a good pair of headphones isn't just an accessory, it's a lifesaver. And that's where the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless steps in to make your day smoother and way more productive. First off, comfort. Oh, it's top tier. These headphones redefine what it means to feel good while you work. You can connect them to your computer through Bluetooth or a dedicated wireless connection. Whatever works best for you. And here's the real game changer, the swappable battery system. One battery lasts up to 25 hours, while the other charges in the dock. So yeah, no more panicking over dead headphones mid-Zoom call. Speaking of calls, whether it's a team meeting or a quick client chat, the retractable boom mic delivers super clear audio. Plus, with the side-tone feature, you can actually hear yourself while you talk, so you're not constantly asking, "Can you hear me now?" And the active noise cancelling, ANC. It's like having a personal shield against all that office chatter. Bye-bye distractions, hello focus. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless isn't just a pair of headphones. It's your new secret weapon for smashing through your workday. Trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever survived without them. Sparkles.